How to turn off contacts on Instagram. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open your Instagram, you come on your profile. On the top right you will get three lines, click on that. Once you come in the setting option, click on account center. Once you come to account center, you scroll down and there you'll find an option, your information and permissions. Click on that. Then you'll get multiple options. You click on upload contacts. Once you click on upload contacts, you want to disconnect your Instagram. So you click on your channel's name and there will be an option below that says Instagram. So click on Instagram. Here you'll get an option to disable it. So you click, now it is on, so I click to disable it. Then you get a confirmation. Do you really want to disconnect it? You click on disconnect. And this is how you disconnect your contacts from Instagram. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.